I didn't trade today. Oh, I did trade today, but I didn't trade live. I took one trade today. Today wasn't very good. This was today's candle. I was anticipating just a accumulation day, right? Price is just going to accumulate here. I wasn't really expecting us to trade higher or lower today. If I did have a bias today, it would have been bullish. I was leaning more bullish today than anything else because we took our previous week low and we have this daily civvy here. And pretty much what I saw from the overnight session was Asia and London just ranged around, didn't really trade any high or low. So just pretty much formed the accumulation, and then at 9:30 a.m., price had this little Judas move at this 9:30 a.m. Judas right here. This move lower, we swept out the overnight lows and then previous day low, which was this low here, the Friday low, where we formed pretty much a V-shaped recovery off of a little 5-minute inversion fair value gap where price traded into. That's where I went long off of, and I just targeted that 8:30 a.m. high. I just targeted this 8:30 a.m. high, or not the 9:30 a.m. high, because I wasn't really looking to hold a trade for too long today, as it was Monday with no news, with elections the next day. And as you can see, price traded up, swept out the London high, didn't quite reach the Asian high, sold off, and then we actually have had some T at these lows here, but I'm not really looking at that. I think we continue bearish tomorrow, but so I'm just ranged around for the rest of the day. What I'm looking at for tomorrow though is I want to see price trade higher tomorrow. I want to see pretty much just a bullish day tomorrow up until we sweep out previous day high and tap into this daily civvy. So I want to see price be bullish until this daily civvy and previous day high. The daily opening candle also has no wick above it. Like we open up and just start trading lower. So we could maybe see some form of a sell side get swept overnight for long, so we can trade to tomorrow. Or we might see price just trade up here, and then we place shorts off this. I took a nice lunch reversal. Yeah, nah, I don't know. I was hands. After I took this trade, I was just hands off. I wasn't even looking at the charts today. This looks like a mess right here. After this move higher and this move lower, this just looks really bad. Pretty much from the higher time frame accumulation, setting up for the weekly profile, or setting up for our higher time frame power of 3. It's setting up for weekly power of 3 here. Ideally this week I want to see a bearish power of 3. Monday accumulate, Tuesday manipulate, and then we see Wednesday and Thursday distribute lower. Down to October lows. You guys there? Hello? Can y'all hear me? Fire. So that's what I'm looking at coming to tomorrow. I'm gonna see us trade back up into here. If we don't, then I'll be leaning more bullish. If the overnight session trades up into here, I'll be more bearish. If the overnight session remains below the daily open, I'll be more bullish. Facts. If we're in a high time period as a mitigated multiple times, how would you read the jaw? I mean, what do you mean? Like, when do you mitigate many times? As the price has traded to it many times. We'll see how it reacts off of it, and see how it trades off of it. If inverse, like, If it creates filler swings, then I would look to target that as the draw. Yes, I will be on in the AM tomorrow. Your order has been rejected because securities undergoing corporate action. You can't buy bags. You can't buy. You can't, dude. Bro, you can't buy the share. You can't buy the stock when it's ongoing to split. You have to buy it the day before. Also, Tradier is shutting down. They're not letting you do it anymore. So you have to use Fennel if you're in the U.S. Yeah, Tradier, you have to. They're not allowing. They're not allowing reverse stock splits starting tomorrow. So liquidate all your positions. Wait for your funds to settle, withdraw, and then go to Fennel. Bags, you can't. It's going to reject at market because for two reasons. You can't buy stocks after market close, and you can't buy the stock when it's undergoing corporate action.